Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or save WhatsApp status on your iPhone. Now, let's open up the WhatsApp app, and instead of chats, of course, let's go over to updates where we can get to the statuses. So you can see my status, and you might have other people's status as well. Let's go through the process of saving it. So let's tap on my status here, and you might have multiple different statuses, but let's just open up this one that I just posted 2 minutes ago. So if I tap on it, you can see it's just a view of clouds. At the very top right, I'm going to tap on those three dots. So tap on those three dots, and now we're going to choose share, that second option. The nice thing is now we can text it or email it, but we can also save it. So you can see save image or save to files, depending on your preference. Let's hit save image here, and I'll show you that it saved it. Let's open up the Photos app here. And if I go to library, there is that photo that I just saved to my iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.